He's not looking up at all.
No, I'm just gonna capture the moment.
Wow. It is so much cooler.
Yeah. Then
Than the last time you went? No. I mean, like, the temperature is
like,
so.
oh,
Yeah,
half an hour ago. Burning the top of my
Yeah.
head off.
It's not doing. This is very pleasant.
Yeah. And it does have kind of a green, yellowy gray.
Oh, I can't remember. I remember what it was like. Wow, look at that guy flying right up there. That's cool. Oh, do you see the reflection? The reflection has the. Where is it reflecting to? Oh my God, we are gonna get lucky. Look at this.
oh yeah. Good job.
1 minute. One more minute. Okay, what time does it start? It's exactly. The temperature is crazy.
Yeah, it's going down. That sun must really warm
It
up the
starts
earth.
at exactly 1:40 and 43 seconds. Okay, so we're at 1:39. Oh yeah, it's definitely. Isn't this weird? It's gray. You're right. I feel like I look over at you guys and there's like a gray hue
Yeah.
over everybody. It's just weird.
I'm not taking very good photos now.
Wow.
Oh God.
Oh!
Isn't it crazy?
Wow.
I don't even think
Yeah,
it started.
it's just
yet.
weird looking out this way.
I know.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, my iPhone.
40.
My iPhone isn't doing it because it's auto filtering to the.
Is it time to take the picture? Can I look
Oh, Charlie, that may
Oh
be
my
what it is.
gosh.
It's
Can we
just
look at it now?
Not yet. Just like one, there's like one scene.
Tell me when.
Oh, oh my gosh! Wow!
Oh my gosh. That's really cool.
Here we go, guys.
Look at the stars coming out.
Yeah.
Can you take pictures?
Yeah.
I'll leave it.
Oh my God.
That is remarkable.
Wow.
This is weird.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Okay, really quick. Come over here, you guys.
Whoa, it's dark outside.
I mean, it's pretty dark.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't know if we can get it.
Okay, we'll try.
Here, I was going to say, let me try.
Where's your wife? Good one.
Okay.
Now you can look at it without glass.
Correct.
Right.
Okay, you guys stand and we'll get a picture of you.
Oh, cool.
I think there's some good ones.
That
This is
is
crazy.
Charlie, come here. Can
Can I only find it on the telescope?
Oh yeah.
God,
Oh,
how
Go
lucky
go get a
Take a picture
family
real
picture.
quick and then we'll.
Here. Kit and Frank, get together.
Okay.
We'll get a little family
And
photo
Charlie.
here.
Should I wear my glasses?
You whatever.
No, you don't need 'em.
Whatever you want.
Hey, Dad, move over this way.
One. Oh. Ingrid's
Because we're
got it.
trying to get
Ingrid's
the-
got it.
It'll be sunny by the time we get.
Okay, now you guys look down
Oh
here.
no, you're gonna have to brighten this
Okay,
one up.
we're good, we're good.
Look down here.
Okay.
One, two,
This
three.
is weird.
Oh,
Oh, that's okay.
Look at the plane flying. Oh, they're so lucky.
Whoa. Ooh, sorry. Oh no, I was just hitting.
Wow. You can even see like a bright spot on the corner.
Did you do a video?
okay, it's now
42.
coming back out.
No, it comes out at 42:39, so
You
it's
need
about
that
to come
card?
back out, so you might want to stop looking at it.
Okay, what do you need? What do you need?
Hey Leo, can you give Charlie a hand?
Yeah, you might a little bit.
Any thoughts on how to do that?
On what?
On her
I don't
telescope?
know.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold this side. You go.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah, I
I'm
was
sorry.
just recording. That's okay.
No. Never
So
mind.
I don't want to be looking through that thing when it goes out. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think we should not.
because it's about to be done. Well, this said it was. Oh, that totality ends at
Do y'all know how long it lasts where you have to keep your glasses on after?
4 minutes. So we're about
It's almost
halfway
done.
through, right?
And then after it comes back on, how
Put your
long?
glasses back on.
The rest of the
The
day?
rest
The
of
rest
it-
of it. Yeah, if you want to look at the sun, the rest of it.
The rest of the day.
You have to wear them for 2 days.
Oh, Leo,
It's
stop.
not through your roots.
Okay.
This is really
I think you're at a, I think you're at a.
Isn't it crazy?
The birds are chirping.
The stars came out. I mean,
Their lights all came on in their house.
That's a real indication.
It's nighttime.
Okay, now it looks like it's about to. It's 1:44, so stop looking at it with your bare
I
eyes.
can't even see it.
Although you will.
You'll see the.
And
Sorry,
when it
honey.
starts coming out.
I don't know how else we could have.
It's starting to come back. I mean, you can see.
There you
This
go.
is kind of crazy.
Can you see it there now?
Put your glasses back on.
Wow, and it comes right back too, doesn't it? Right?
Wow! Look at the light coming back out.
Yeah, and even though it's just the littlest sliver,
Right.
it's still got
It's
so much
99%
brighter.
covered, and
Isn't it weird? It's like someone's shining the spotlight, like on right here right now.
Hit the ground.
Yes.
so. Oh, here the pin test is probably really good right now.
Whoa. This looks great.
Well,
Now it's not.
well, this was pretty darn fun.
Oh my gosh.
You need something.
So, Mom, reason to make it to 2044.
Okay, we're not gonna live another 20-some years. Cause then you're gonna come to Colorado or Montana. We'll have a little trip to
There's an
Montana.
easier way to do it. Just find where the next one is and go.
No, but there's no, well, in the world.
yeah.
Yeah, but there's none more in the US.
That's right.
We got so lucky with the clouds.
Yeah.
Wow, from the
Well,
comfort of
congratulations.
This
Not
was
fighting.
great.
Watch it. Don't fall. We don't need anything. Eclipse. It was so dark I couldn't see where I was standing.
Whoa.
Wow! And then the sun just comes right back out.
That's just a smoke.
Wow. So freaking cool.
I got some interesting pictures.
Yeah, I think you got them all.
I think honestly,
Oh my
Charlie, you
gosh.
probably got better ones with your iPhone than you would have because the telescope's really hard to take a picture through. I know.
Yeah, but next eclipse.
Oh, it didn't work?
You need something like, you know, on yours where you can see it off to the side.
Yeah.
To aim it.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Yes, that.
Yeah, see how you can see it off to the side. As long as we don't hear crash, you know. People looking up.
Wow.
Oh, Dad, that's so good.
You gotta send
We're
it.
gonna have to share it with us.
That's
Good ones are good.
Share it with us. We're gonna do a little photo. We'll go inside. We have
Yeah, I can put them on my.
I got a
together
pair.
so we can all share all of our
Thank
pictures.
you.
Yeah, this is cool. I got some.
Yeah, I have a call.
Wow. Yeah, this is like the first half. where you're ahead 42 to nothing, so you don't really care about you don't really care about your second half. Did you record it?
Yeah. That's so cool.
Well, I'm still recording.
That's cool.
But isn't it amazing? It's still kind of
GoPro, stop recording.